Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadan at StockMarketCaddy.com, and we want to give you an update to our strategy that we have been running. It's called the Zinger strategy. It comes off of our radar called Swing Machine. It's just one aspect of the Swing Machine that we're able to automate. So this is an automated strategy update. We've been trading the NQH on a 5-minute strategy. And today is, let's give you an update. It is the 27th, and it's 1 o'clock. And this strategy has been running 24/7, and we've been updating it. If you go back on our YouTube stream, you can see 3 or 4 updates on it, and it's continued to run. And you're probably wondering, well, I wonder what it did. Maybe not. What did it do this morning? A lot of emotion right this morning in the markets. The markets gapped down big, trapped some traders, and everyone's saying, this is it. This is the big one. It's coming. It's coming. Maybe it is, right? We certainly have some indications of that. And then another side, this is a buying opportunity. I'm going to buy the dip, buy the dip. Dave Portnoy, with the green hammer. We don't really get caught up in any of that. As traders, we understand two things. That is our trading. Well, we understand one thing, and that's our trading style. What is our trading style? Our trading style is to trade futures intraday. So because we trade them intraday, I don't really have any interest in anything macro. It doesn't matter. Just doesn't. When I'm trading position trades that are going to go out for either several days or several weeks or several months, that does take in a little bit of a macro picture, maybe some macro signals. But even then, we utilize the same techniques, but we do size down. And we do more in terms of defining our risk. But even trading intraday, we define our risk. So as an example, I want to show you what's going on right here. Do you see the strategy? The strategy fired this morning at 5:10 this morning. You see that? And it got a winning trade. But look at, left a ton of money on the table, right? But the strategy didn't fire again. And you know what? I'm fine with that. I really don't care, right? The strategy is doing its thing. So come with me. Please come. This is on the 14th. This strategy, totally on its own, totally, and the values have been optimized. They have been analyzed not just on the back test, but we put them through a walk forward optimizer, so we know the parameters, and the strategy is performing just fine. So let me give you an example. We're going to write down some numbers together and how we know this. Let's count the 14th as the first day, which it really was. It had 10 trades. It won 50% of them, and it made $1,745, right here. I'll click on it so we can see it. And then on the 15th, right here, it lost $1,380. Then the next day, it lost again $220. So basically, we're mildly above, right? But we're fortunately not on. The 19th, $820. The 20th, $395. The 21st, $110. The 22nd, $515. The 24th, $850. The 25th, a big day, $22.80. Yesterday, it actually lost in the end. It was up, but it lost $150. And then today, since midnight, the day started at midnight, for this trading strategy, we could change it if we wanted to. We can set clocks. There's a lot of things that we can do. It's had 5 trades totally on its own for $550. Okay, so what we want to know is, what is our profit factor for this period? So what we need to do is add up all the profits and add up all the losses and divide the gross profit by the gross loss. And for this period between the 14th and the 27th, we're going to know what our profit factor is. And let's do that. Okay, so the total profit was $7,265. That's the gross profit for this period. The gross loss was 1,750. We divide the gross profit by the gross loss. That gives us a profit factor of 4.15. What does that mean? That means for every dollar we lost, we made $4.15. When you have a profit factor over 1, it means you're making money. Now, if it's only 1.25, 1.3, you are skating by with the skin of your teeth. But when you get a profit factor that's up over 3, you become a money-making machine. Now remember, this is one market. This is one mini contract. This is all scalable. You can do more markets. You can do more contracts. You can do less contracts. But we're using this as an example. So if you've been grinding, and the other thing is true too, by the way, if you have a profit factor under 1, then you're losing money. And you're going to continue to lose money. And you may have a big option hit, right? So we're not measuring our performance. This is what's so different for us than every other trader. Everyone else is focused on their money. How much money did I make today? How much money did I make last week? I got to make more money today than I did yesterday. I got to make more money than I did last week. No, we don't think in those terms. Because if we did, we'd be trading greed and fear. We're interested in the profit factor. As long as I'm running a profit factor over 3, we're running a business, a money-making business, day in, day out. And I'm not really worried about what the market is doing. I don't have to do a damn thing. If the machine goes long, the machine goes long. That's what we're doing. If you want to learn how to get the emotion out of your trading, we're here. We can help you. But you've got to make the first step. We don't spam anybody. Nobody. Not our members. There's not an upsell. We're not selling anybody anything. We're here. We're a mentoring site. We enjoy what we do, and we love meeting new people and sharing new concepts and helping them get control over this part of their life. We like doing it. But it's up to you. If you want to talk to us about how we go about our Q School, and if you want to get on our Twitter stream or on our YouTube and ask other people that are following us, by all means, feel free. You want to hall pass and get a closer look? But learning how to do this and learning how to track it, is really where it's at. Trying to read a trend line. Notice I'm not saying, here's a trend line and that's doing that and that's doing that. We're not doing that. I'm Bag of Don. StockMarketCaddy.com is our website. My phone number is 813-758-8263. Feel free to give us a shout. Thanks.